I'll show what I get going on. Try not to worry about the mess of wires. Alright, climate control is completely disconnected. Got my GPS and mic antenna separated, disconnected. I'll just show you what's plugged in. Here is the amp adapter I got on eBay. These are not plugged into anything, they're not touching each other, and they won't be touching each other. Here's the factory connector. This right here where my thumb is, next to the red, is our ignition wire. Not plugged in. Now what I actually have plugged in is right here is a more direct ground. I didn't trust the plug. That was part of my troubleshooting. I was thinking the plug was janky. So what's plugged in is a ground direct. I didn't use quick connect or anything like that, or quick disconnect. What else is plugged in? Right here, plugged into a remote module that's not plugged into anything, so that's just wires at this point. Same with the blue, that's just grounded. And reverse wire is connected to something, but it's not touching the speaker at all. This goes direct to from the head unit plug to the rear of the car. Just a reverse light switch. What do we got here? This is a and this is illumination, so it's not connected to anything. Basically, as far as I can tell here, I have completely disconnected anything that touches the radio. Now, here's the factory amp adapter. This is grounded. This is connected to this wire, which is connected here directly to ground, the head unit plug. This right here was a secondary connected to the factory radio. I'm assuming this is part of the park assist, so I taped it off. The other connector connects into the amp adapter. Now notice, these wires here, they say if you got extra noise, you disconnect them. It does not make a bit of difference, so we'll ignore that. Here's my on signal. All I'm going to do is connect it to ignition. Ignition is on, so you can hear the sound. I'll put this closer to a speaker, just in case you can't hear it. Now, to add to it, I'll go ahead and start the car and see if you can hear the other sounds I'm getting. And drive. When I rev up, now I'm going to disconnect that wire. I'm going to connect it again. I've tried multiple grounds and I cannot for the life of me figure out what the hell's going on, so I'm going to assume that I have a bad amp adapter. What do you guys think?